Every second, billions of minds drift between focus and fatigue. Stress rises, sleep breaks, and the delicate balance within us fades. But what if technology could do more than just track our lives? What if it could truly listen to your body and respond with light, vibration, and energy to restore harmony within? Imagine a system that learns your unique rhythm, bringing back a state of natural resonance and deep awareness. This is the Luxmea Digital Doctor. It's a revolutionary system that unites 3 intelligent modules: a smart bed, a Neuro Helmet, and a Bio Bracelet, all connected through a powerful, real-time AI core. This isn't just about collecting data. It's about creating a conversation between you and your body. The system is constantly analyzing key biomarkers like your heart rate variability, your skin's electrical activity, and your brainwave patterns to understand your state in real time. The moment it detects rising stress, it responds instantly. The AI core triggers a symphony of restorative therapies, gentle electromagnetic resonance waves, subtle micro-vibrations from the smart bed, precise thermal flows, and calming bone conduction sound from the Neuro Helmet all work in concert. It's a chain reaction designed to guide you back to a state of calm. You can feel your body relax as soothing blue waves of energy travel from the bracelet to the helmet and through the bed, washing away tension as light waves expand outward from your very core. But the Luxmea system's purpose goes far beyond simple stress relief. This is about taking the next step in our journey. Our mission isn't just to monitor life, but to actively evolve it, to unlock a new dimension of human potential and well-being. This is a eye for conscious evolution, designed to help us become more resilient, more focused, and more in tune with ourselves than ever before. It's a tool to awaken the next stage of human well-being, where technology and consciousness work together in perfect harmony. The Luxmea system, patented in the USA and Canada, is the creation of Dr. Irfan Boko and the Luxmea Initiative. We're incredibly excited to share this with the world. If you believe in a future where technology enhances our humanity, please subscribe and follow our journey. Thank you for watching.